What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you. Today I have for your reviewing pleasure the print scale 1/48 F-15E Eagle, the 911 Never Forget series. This is part 1 for the 48 scale. They do them as part 1 and part 2. If you happen to be building in 72nd, the nice thing about print scale is they will put them all into a single combined sheet for the most part. Again, check your specific sheet that you're interested in for information. So, comes in just plain package, and then so these are going to be aircraft numbers 6 through 10 of their series. So, again, 72nd, you get the full set. This one I got for the initial one up here at the top, which if I lock this in, that way we can get a good clear shot. This is the 335th Squadron Chiefs, and this one is depicting the Let's Roll, and was a commemorative to the New York Fire Department. So then you have Anaconda, Bomber Boy. Again, Anaconda is from the 391st. Everyone else looks like to be from the 335th. This one is actually another one that I absolutely loved when I seen it, which was Lucky Strike. Kind of being a fan of World War II era, that was something really cool. And then Nowhere to Hide is the last one. You then have a couple of markings here for just the U.S. insignias, things like that. So let's get into the actual sheet itself. Now, there's not an exceptional amount of decals that come on this. Any stencil data, things like that, you'd have to get from a second sheet, from possibly the kit sheet, things like that. But these are primarily just for those main markings. So starting again at the top, we have the Let's Roll, which is the one I will be building on my Revell 48 scale one. And then the sub 3. I may actually try to find another one, if I can find one for cheap, to do the Lucky Strike. But also have the slime lines, things like that. So it's kind of nice that it does have some of those additional items. But overall, as you can tell, or as you can see here, doesn't have a whole exceptional amount. Definitely has the bombing markings, so you can really detail those up. So again, small little decal sheet, but especially if 9/11 here in the States obviously is a humongous event to us. For those of us who were around and remember it, it's something that I having been to New York a matter of months before, it definitely touches home a bit more than maybe somebody who'd never been there or never been around the Trade Center. So love the fact that print scale was able to put these out. I have had personal experience with print scale decals. They are super thin decals, but they go on beautifully. If they're not stored well, like if you're getting them second hand or anything like that, may just do a quick top coat of something just to prevent them from chattering. Again, they are extremely thin, so just note that. Outside of that, though, can't complain at all. Like I said, they went down beautifully for the set that I had used for a B-24 that I actually have on my channel. So if you have any questions, comments, definitely post below, and I will catch you guys later.